what's on these jeans. They want me caged, I can't wait till I'm free.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy, Nathan GD. We are definitely late again to another car meet. Why is the sun oversaturating my face? I look like a freaking orange right now, bro. Like, what is this? I might not even put this in the video because I actually look like an actual orange right now. Like, but we are headed to a car meet right now. I will see you guys at the meet. All right, we just put up to the car meet. There's already some cars over here, but I'm gonna go meet up with my friends first, and then I'm gonna do. Oh shoot! Go look at the cars. I just tripped over there. All right, with my boy Ryan now, and Kevin. Yo, it's my birthday. No, it is. I forgot. Yeah, bro. I forgot it's his birthday. Happy birthday, bro. Bro, everybody go wish Kevin happy birthday, bro.
My birthday.
Honda, baby. Ryan's whip. I really don't want to go down here. S2Ks. An Audi TT. TTRS. Gillis Cleat 2. Bro, what the dang. What interior? SK5?
I feel like, yeah, maybe he just had it.
Sounds loud as fuck.
It's like, yeah, I'm only making 420.
Yeah, okay.
I was like, bro, you're
Yeah.
lying to me.
Okay,
It's
420.
the stock 6.2 in there. It just does
Okay,
wheel-to-wheel racing.
400 horsepower.
Bro, I'm telling you, it's just, it's wheel-to-wheel racing. You don't need that. It's all about, you just need the tires, the handling.
5.0. 5.0 can clean with the carbon fiber front, the white tail lights. Dude, look at this freaking diffuser, bro. Like, what? Porsche over there. Bro, those Porsches are so hard. Bro, I should do like cinematic shots of these cars, bro. It looks so clean. I need to get a camera so I can have a better lens so I don't have to back up for freaking 991 GT3. Looking beautiful. Oh, it's R35. Mickey Thompson's. What even was that? Was that bike?
It was a GT3.
Yeah, I was just telling her. I just told Dave.
R35 looking beautiful.
And this is so what's on the wheel? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm about to go get a Monster. Oh, I didn't even see the NSX. What the heck? Yo. Alright, they gave me a free Monster. Shout out to them over there. Sponsored by Monster. Got the GT350 with the NSX.
Yeah.
Damn! Yeah. Dang, look at this. Look at the carbon fiber.
Shit, that is clean though.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that piping, yo.
I know. That's dang, I know what that is. I seen it on YouTube. I forget what it's called. I can't remember. Is that RS3?
Huh?
Is that a fake RS3 or is that a real RS3?
That's probably a real RS3. Yeah.
Bro, that's an A3, bro. It's a fake RS3.
Yeah, it's an A3.
I knew it was gonna be a fake one.
I would totally whip one.
I would never buy one of these. How much are they? Aren't they like 170 or something? 150? 170?
I'm no less than that.
All right, so now we went inside the garage. Is this the actual GT4? It is a GT. Bro, what the what? Yo. What the?
But you're not concerned about the rust?
The G82. Wait, I haven't. Nah, I'm not looking over there yet. Not yet. One car at a time. One beautiful car at a time. G82 looking beautiful. The black interior. Another Porsche. Got the sick lighting in here too. Are you admiring how beautiful it looks too?
Absolutely.
Dang. Hello, GT3 rims. It's tough. The new badges too. I'm about to go over here with them now. Bro. Another GCR on Mickey Thompson's. Yep. Another R35 on Mickey Thompson's. Looking beautiful. Peep the fit. Peep the kicks. R35. Bro, I should make cinematics of these. I'm about to make cinematics of the cars inside. All right, I'm making cinematics. Oh, look at that after. Dang, bro, another
One day
freaking
my
Porsche,
wife
bro. X-Type, M8 comp in here. Look at that admin. Bro.
This is what I was trying to tell you about.
Oh my gosh. Look at all the carbon fiber pieces on it.
I don't understand like what that is.
Look at the black badge. M8 comp. Looking absolutely beautiful. And this crazy lighting. Look at the lighting. We're at AP Auto Styling. This is all the mods he has done. 771 horsepower. It's crazy. It looks so beautiful. I love the rims and the calipers.
Oh,
Letting us see the inside. Carbon bucket seats too.
yeah.
What about that, that doesn't ever...
Looks beautiful.
right there.
Carbon fiber seats.
It's actually pretty cool.
Why is the lighting so bad? Oh, there you go. Fixed it. But now this looks clean. This is my best friend's dream car. He wants this so bad. Alright, we're about to walk outside now. 82.
Oh the floater cat.
Just walked out. What does it say? Some guy. Oh, I thought those were BBS's for a second. I was about to say, yo.
Blitz. What's a 50K Porsche?
Why is my phone not getting this good color, bro?
Oh no, Garrett. Where'd he go? Yeah. That's Garrett. 18. Stand. It's the smallest we've ever seen in cars.
Look at that lineup, bro.
Put on car tires on it. Would call that
Gotta go
Fox
look at
body
the
a quick.
Evos now. God, bro, look. It's got the Recaro seats, Brimbos. Fat wing. Why this trunk looks weird. This trunk looks like a I don't know, looks like a square. We're seeing yeah. Oh, its windows are dirty, bro. Still beautiful cars. That is not, is that? I don't think that's a turbo. People put LS motors in Porsches?
Yes, sir. Hold on. I'll just like fast forward it to this like.
Beautiful.
We got hella people here. Nice car. Still along with drunk and shit. Like, he totaled his shit on the way out. Yeah, it was sad. Keep on like 4 cars, bro. Yeah. Bro, that doesn't happen often. I'll tell you that.
This thing sounds so good.
Yo, let me hear it.
No, I don't feel like running after him. Bro. Dang, the bike's already gone. Please rip it. Please rip it. He's not gonna rip it. I've never even seen one of those in person before. Oh my gosh. Oh, that thing is quiet. That's extremely quiet.
Alright, oh, okay.
Send it!
This sounds better.
Oh my god. Yo. STK. Clarkson 300. I think that's the scat.
I'd have been scared. They actually kept control.
Ew.
Not a single soul cares. And then here comes the V6 300. I'm pretty sure it's a V6.
His
Right.
name is literally 36 Tyler on it.
Oh, okay, so it's a V6. That's cool.
I didn't even peep this at all. What in the world is this?
Might be a diesel.
Bro, this is definitely, there's no way he drives this.
What do you mean?
Can you even move this?
Yes, it's on bags.
No, I wasn't saying because of the bags. I'm just saying like this in general.
These tires look so unsafe.
This whole car looks so unsafe. It's not even a car. Let me not even call it a car.
Y'all ain't ever seen the hot rod scene? You got the crown.
At the sunset. All right, we're gonna end the video here though. All right,
Really
we're gonna end the video with Kevin. Kevin, rap. Rap on the spot
bro.
right now.
No power.
Rap on the spot right now.
I'll do a backflip right now, though.
You actually do a backflip?
Yeah, I'll do a backflip. That sounded nice for a truck.
Okay.
F-150s, yo.
Okay. All right, we're gonna end the video right there.
Y'all are lying. Y'all
Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.
fuck?
The video's already over, bro. I'm gonna add this to the video. I just got this for my birthday.
Kevin and Nate, and we're probably gonna
And I have a chain on, but I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. I think you can see it in the video from earlier. Hold up. I'm gonna flip the camera real quick. Can't really see, kind of see, but it's got these. All right, now this is actually the end of the video.
I'm sending letters to my angels, hope you get my message. If I don't get this bitch no money, she gon' say I'm petty. Chris just like my brother, it feel like we Ed and Eddie. Okay, them drugs kicking in, bro punch me in, I said I'm ready. I put some cash on my wrist, it got my